Choosing the right suitcase can make packing and traveling so much easier. Today, we're comparing two popular options, spinner wheels and two-wheeled luggage. Keep watching to find out which one is right for you. Spinner wheels overview. Spinner luggage has four 360-degree wheels that allow you to roll your bag in any direction. It's perfect for smooth surfaces like airports and hotel lobbies, giving you effortless mobility. Two-wheel luggage overview. Two-wheeled luggage is designed to be pulled behind you, and it excels on rough surfaces like cobblestone streets or dirt paths. If you're an adventure traveler, this might be your go-to choice. Pros of spinner wheels. Spinner bags are easy to maneuver in tight spaces, like airplane aisles. They're also great for keeping the weight off your arm since the bag stays upright and balanced on all four wheels. Cons of spinner wheels. However, spinner wheels can struggle on uneven terrain, like grassy areas or cobblestones. And with more wheels, there's a higher chance of breakage. Pros of two-wheel luggage. Two-wheeled bags are tough and built to handle rough surfaces. They're also simpler in design, which makes them less expensive and less likely to break. Cons of two-wheel luggage. They can feel heavier to pull, especially if you're dealing with long distances. And they're harder to maneuver in tight spaces. Which one should you choose? Pick spinner luggage for smooth floors, lightweight handling, and style. But if your travels include rugged terrain, a two-wheeled bag is the way to go. Your choice depends on where you're going and how much convenience you need. Final thoughts. At the end of the day, both options have their strengths. So, think about your travel needs and make the choice that fits you best. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips. Safe travels, everyone.